Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna do a podcast. I'm gonna do a podcast from Final Project, English Final Project, and and here I be the host. Okay. Without any further ado, I will call the speaker is Nisa.
So hi everyone.
Okay, so hello Nisa.
Hello Raya.
Okay, so here I'm gonna ask you a few questions about IDN. About IDN. So, what do you think about IDN culture?
I think idea subject is very good, especially for those who like IT. For the subject, that's embedded moment, game website Android ini ya, and English,
Oh my God.
and makeup and SG.
Okay, that's cool. And in IDN, what's the hardest thing? What's the hardest thing that you ever pass?
I think it will be embedded because for other things you can just use it in your laptop. But if embedded, you have to do physical thing. For example, wiring, and then it's kinda like Scratch but harder. And I don't know about Android because I'm still 8th grade and Android is 9th grade.
Okay, so what the hardest embedded SKL that you ever do? I mean, like,
It is of course the final project that you have to do alone without any partner. Because sometimes the code or the component is not really working, so I have to redo and repeat again. And sometimes the component you need to use is not there, so you need to improvise using another component. And improper, you need to make your own improper too. That is so hard.
and what the hardest thing that you ever do in multimedia subject?
In multimedia is of course the UI UX SKL. For me, I really like design, I really like movement, but if for something like UI or UX, I don't really like it because you have to think about the others. I just want to think about myself.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, that was surprising. Surprisingly.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. So the question is, what the easier SKL on map?
It's the first SKL illustration, of course. In illustration, I can really express my imagination.
Okay.
Yes.
What about embedded?
The other one, I like when we are still new, we just using microbit because I think for the first one we have to make a simple recommend project. I made a space shooter. It's very fun and very easy to understand.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, that's
Very
cool.
cool.
Next question. Do you ever like do your project? I'm like you make new project that you make by yourself, but it's not in SKL.
And as well as I ever,
What?
if it's not competition, I ever made a UI when I'm still 7th grade with Achi. When I'm still 7th, we have made a UI with Achi. It's a pet shop, but we never really finish it. You only like 2 screen.
Oh yeah, I never see the. Yeah, okay, that's so cool.
Yes. I forgot the application there.
All right, that's so cool.
Yes.
Is there any your favorite? I mean, like, yeah, your favorite. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject in IDN?
It's
In 8th grade.
of course it's movement. The entire reason why I joined it is because of movement. So in the past I don't want to join it at, but my mom like said like this. But But in this moment, no, you can learn to design. And I'm like, okay then, I'll join the end. But actually, we only learn met in 8th grade, so disappointing.
Oh, that's sad.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Do you join any club in India?
I club when after 7th, I joined design club with a few of my friends, and the supervisor is Michicha.
And is there any like your favorite extracurricular?
Extracurricular. If it's not horse riding, it's archery.
Why? Why?
Because in horse riding, I can go confident, and but it's also tiring. If archery, I feel like a cool, I feel like a badass girl.
Okay, that's cool.
Yes.
And maybe is there any your favorite event in India?
Event. My favorite event is when we go like PPJ.
Is that even an event?
If not that, then scribble. Like we have yesterday when 13 November.
What is it?
We do so our parents go here and we like scribble. We have a fun game with our parents to get to know our parents further.
Is that yesterday, not 13th November?
That's November.
You said
13 November, I mean, sorry. So on 13 November, my parents come here and they're like, oh my god, thank you, mom and dad.
What do you think about drama idea and coret-coret?
It's very, very cool. I like the acting very much. I like the hepatitis part.
What do you think about weekend fun?
Weekend fun. Sometimes tiring, sometimes fun. I only join one time.
Wow!
Yeah.
Thank you for your pengakuan. And
I'm not very proud of that, but okay. I'll do the.
can you rate weekend fun from 1 until 10?
For the one time I joined, I did not play it. So, but it's fun. 10 out of 10. Yes, I like the event. I also like sport fest. Yes, I like watching people play.
That's cool. Okay, thank you Lisa for joining this podcast.
Thank
And
you.
what do you think about this podcast?
My thought about this podcast is very, very fun. 10 out of 10 would do it again. And thank you.
What about your makeup?
It's fine. And Rana, thank you for being my host. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Yes.
Right.
Can you rate this podcast from 1 until 10?
10 out of 10. Would do it again. Maybe if not, we're gonna go.
Okay, thank you Lisa. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if me or Nisa or both of us have like a mistake in our words ya. Sorry and Nisa you can go.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.